Thinking about trading with ACY Securities? Wondering if you can trust them with your money? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. This year alone, we've tested over 80 Forex brokers, and we know what separates the good from the great. We'll break down the essential details about trading with ACY Securities. We'll take you on a live tour of their trading platforms to see if they suit your trading style. We'll check their live trading fees and compare them to other brokers. We'll find out whether you can actually trust ACY Securities with your money and assess the variety of instruments they offer. And finally, we'll give our honest take on trading with ACY Securities and who it is best suited for. Let's get started. Established in 2011, ACY is a multi-asset CFD broker headquartered in Sydney, Australia. It offers over 2,200 tradable symbols, including Forex, indices, commodities, equities, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. They have some impressive trading tools like copy trading, VPS service, and Capitalize.ai for code-free trading automation. With both spread-only and commission-based accounts, ACY caters to different trading styles. You can trade using MT4 and MT5 platforms on desktop, web, and mobile, which also come with a suite of useful tools. The broker also offers access to the proprietary web-based LogixTrader platform. But how does it really stack up? Let's take a closer look. A quick note, if you're interested in checking out ACY for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. First, let's check the broker's trading platforms and tools. ACY Securities offers trading platforms that cater to traders of different experience levels. The MT4 and MT5 desktop platforms come with plenty of customizable features, one-click trading options, and algorithmic trading capabilities, perfect for advanced traders. If you're a beginner, you'll find the MetaTrader web and mobile platforms more suitable. They provide an easy way to view live market prices across different time frames. The broker has also recently launched the proprietary web-based LogixTrader platform. It's a great platform for beginners with a simple-to-use interface and interactive charts, while seasoned traders can benefit from its detailed, built-in economic calendar. A standout feature, though, is no slippage on its guaranteed stop loss and take profit levels, ensuring that you get the execution price you want. ACY also offers access to Capitalize.ai, which allows you to create algorithmic strategies without any coding. It's perfect for backtesting strategies and taking emotions out of trading. If you're interested in professional copy trading services, ACY has developed a dedicated platform called Trading Cup. It not only allows you to replicate trades, but also lets you become a signal provider and attract your own followers. Now, let's take a tour of the broker LogixTrader platform, MT4 desktop, and the MT4 mobile app. Now first, let's do a walkthrough of the LogixTrader platform from ACY Securities. This web-based platform is very well designed and intuitive while also offering a robust range of features. Browser-based with no downloads or installations required, this is a fully fledged platform unlike the stripped-down web trader version of MetaTrader. The interface is made up of three main panels: watch list, charts, and terminal. The watch list allows you to track the live prices of your favorite instruments, and you can drag instruments up or down to suit your preference. Now let's expand the charts to take a closer look. Charting within the platform features one-click trading, trading from the chart, and a wide range of technical indicators and drawing tools. I like the tab layout, which makes it easy to flip between different instruments, and you can also tile charts to view multiple markets at once. Pulling up the order ticket, we can see that traders have access to market, limit, and stop loss orders. Trading stop loss orders are also available, along with free of charge guaranteed stop loss and guaranteed take profit orders. Time and force conditions can be applied to orders, and traders have the flexibility of working in units of 1,000, also known as microlots. Another feature that I really like is the built-in economic calendar, which allows traders to stay on top of major releases without having to leave the platform. And finally, let's take a look at the trading terminal panel at the bottom. From here, you can track your open positions, your history of trades, and your closed positions, as well as key metrics like your unrealized and net P&L. Now let's do a walkthrough of the popular MetaTrader 4 platform offered by ACY Securities. The interface is made up of four major panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. The Market Watch panel contains a watch list where you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments. If you double-click an instrument, you can pull up the order ticket and you can drag an instrument over to view its chart. From the Navigator panel, you can alternate between different accounts and access custom indicators and Expert Advisor for automated trading, as well as custom scripts. ACY Securities does better than the average MetaTrader broker by offering a wide range of custom indicators. For example, their advanced pivot point indicator, a powerful range of scripts, is also available, like the MT4 Close All script, which also allows you to close out all of your trades right at once. MT4 Charts features a solid range of over 60 indicators and drawing tools. One-click trading and trading from the chart are both available, making this a suitable platform for day traders and scalpers. You can also tile charts to suit your preference and view multiple markets at once. Finally, at the bottom here, we have the terminal panel where you can track your open positions and your P&L, your history of trades, and you can do things like set price alerts to be notified when price reaches a specific level. And finally, we'll take a look at the MT4 app offered by ACY Securities. From the Quotes tab, we have our watch list, and you can tap on any instrument to enter a new order. Looking at the order ticket, we have the full range of standard order types available. And moving over to the Chart tab, we have a nice large chart with 30 of the most popular technical indicators to use. Under the Trade tab, you can view the live P&L of your open positions, and under the History tab, you can see your closed trades and your P&L. Our score for the ACY Securities Platform and Tools category is a solid 4.2 out of 5. Now let's take a look at the broker's trading fees. We tested the broker's spreads on various instruments using their standard CFD account during peak trading times in the London and New York trading sessions. So, what do we find? Overall, ACY Securities offers competitive spreads for most instruments. Here's what we discovered from our live testing. From the table, you can see that the average spread on Euro to USD was 1.05 pips, slightly better than the 1.08 pips industry average. For GDP to JPY, spreads averaged 1.3 pips during London and 2.1 pips during New York sessions, also beating the 2.44 pips industry average. Spreads for indices were also very competitive. We were really impressed with the 1-point spread on the Dow Jones 30 index, which is much better than the 3.3-point industry average. But what about shares? We found the spread for Apple CFDs was only 2 cents compared to the 33 cents industry average. However, there's a standard commission of 2 cents per share for all US share CFDs, which includes NYSE, NASDAQ, and ARK. For ASX stocks, there's a 0.08% commission. Overall, we found ACY Securities spreads competitive, making them ideal for short to medium term traders. However, we did find that the overnight swap fees are on the higher side, so longer term traders should take note. There is also no inactivity fee. Overall, ACY Securities scored 4.5 out of 5 in the fees category. All right, we've covered the platforms and fees, but can you really trust ACY Securities with your money? Let's find out. ACY Securities has been in business since 2011, so they have a very good track record of running a stable business. One of their entities is licensed by Tier 1 regulator ASIC in Australia, but the other is incorporated offshore in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and is not regulated. But what does this mean for you? Firstly, both entities state they hold client funds in segregated accounts. This means your money is not mixed with company funds, which is crucial for ensuring your funds are always available. Both entities also offer a negative balance protection policy. This prevents your account from going below zero if the market moves against you. However, neither entity provides access to a compensation scheme, so your capital is at risk if the broker goes bankrupt. Overall, the Australian regulator ASIC is reputable and offers a higher level of safety. However, the offshore unregulated entity carries increased risks. After weighing all of these factors, we gave ACY Securities a reasonable score of 4 out of 5 in the trust category. Lastly, we checked the range of tradable instruments at ACY. ACY Securities offers over 2,200 tradable instruments. This includes 45 currency pairs, 17 commodities, 22 stock indices, 9 cryptocurrencies, and over 2,300 stocks and ETFs from the US and Australia. Now this is a solid selection for traders, especially with the extensive range of commodities, stocks, ETFs, and indices. However, because of the limited number of currency pairs and cryptos, we gave the broker a score of 3.8 out of 5 in this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on ACY, but first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our team combines experienced analysts and pro traders. Over the last decade, we have reviewed countless Forex brokers, 80 just this year. This deep industry knowledge ensures that we can easily spot the top brokers from the rest. So, is ACY Securities the right broker for you? Let's recap on what they bring to the table. Founded in 2011, ACY Securities operates under two entities, providing segregated accounts and negative balance protection. Clients can trade on over 2,200 markets, including Forex pairs, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptos. Most markets offer low spreads with industry standard commissions on share CFDs. The MT4 and MT5 platform are packed with drawing tools, indicators, and many customizable options. For code-free trading automation, you can also use Capitalize.ai and a VPS. Traders can also access a more intuitive proprietary LogixTrader platform, along with ACY's custom-built copy trading service, Trading Cup, which allows users to both copy trades and provide signals. On the downside, one of the broker's entities is based offshore and is unregulated, which poses greater risks to your capital compared to a regulated broker. Neither entity offers access to a compensation scheme, meaning your capital is at risk in case the broker goes bankrupt. So, with these pros and cons in mind, who is ACY Securities best suited for? The broker caters well to beginners with a low minimum deposit of $50, market research tools, user-friendly proprietary LogixTrader platforms, educational articles, and webinars. The professional Trading Cup copy trading service is also useful for beginners, as you can simply copy the trading ideas of experienced traders. Advanced traders will appreciate MT4 and MT5 platforms, which come with lots of indicators, customizable options, one-click trading, and algorithmic trading capabilities. If you're really looking to take your trading to the next level, then access to Capitalize.ai will be very useful. Code-free trading automation can remove the emotional aspect of trading, providing a significant advantage. Short-term traders can also benefit from the tight spreads on most of the markets available. In our evaluation, we awarded ACY Securities an overall score of 4.3 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about ACY Securities, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.